Before you consider buying from ECHTWEIT Co. Limited, there are a few crucial things you need to know to make sure you're making an informed decision. In this video, we'll dive into what sets this company apart from others in the industry and whether it's truly worth your investment. Let's start with the first thing you should know. ECHTWEIT Co. Limited has been gaining traction for its unique approach to this industry product. But it's important to highlight that, unlike some of its competitors, they prioritize offering a blend of affordability and quality. Many companies out there cut corners to stay cheap, but ECHTWEIT Co. Limited seems to strike a better balance between pricing and performance. Next thing to consider is their customer support. Unlike other companies in the same space, ECHTWEIT Co. Limited offers responsive and efficient customer service. If you've ever had to deal with slow or unhelpful support teams, you'll appreciate how quickly ECHTWEIT resolves issues. From my experience, they're very proactive in addressing concerns and making sure you get the most out of their product. The third thing to note is the user experience. While other companies might overcomplicate their interface, ECHTWEIT Co. Limited keeps things simple and intuitive. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, you'll appreciate how easy it is to navigate their platform. The learning curve is minimal compared to other products in the same category, meaning you can start using it almost immediately without needing hours of training. Fourth thing to keep in mind is the product's scalability. Many products offer good functionality at the start, but struggle when it comes to growing with your needs. ECHTWEIT Co. Limited does an excellent job of scaling as your business or personal requirements increase. Whether you're just getting started or have a more advanced need, their product is flexible and adaptable. Next up, let's talk about pricing. This is a huge factor when comparing companies. ECHTWEIT Co. Limited offers a competitive pricing model. When compared to other leading companies, you'll find that they provide more value for a similar price, especially if you're looking for a no-nonsense product without hidden fees. The best part? You can actually try it for free before making any financial commitment. That's something not all competitors offer. Another thing that sets ECHTWEIT Co. Limited apart is their ongoing updates and improvements. While some companies just coast along with what they've already built, ECHTWEIT is consistently working to improve their offerings. This means you'll get access to new features, updates, and improvements that keep you ahead of the curve without paying extra for them. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is the level of trustworthiness. In a market filled with empty promises and overhyped products, ECHTWEIT Co. Limited stands out as a reliable option. They have a solid reputation with real user testimonials backing their claims. From what I've seen, they deliver exactly what they advertise, with no surprise upsells or misleading marketing tactics. That kind of transparency and integrity is rare, especially in today's market. So, what does all of this mean for you? If you're considering buying from ECHTWEIT Co. Limited, know that you're getting a solid, reliable product at a fair price with excellent customer support and scalability. If you want to experience the product for yourself and see why it's gaining such positive attention, be sure to click the first link in the description below for the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits. That's it for today. Make sure you don't miss out on trying out ECHTWEIT Co. Limited for free by using the link below. Trust me, it's worth it.